Hi guys, today we are discussed about the surface modeling in the Creo Parametric. So I have a practice of one model that is surfacing. Let's start. Create the new part. First name is surface modeling. Okay, and untick the use default template. Okay, then solid part MCAS condition unit. Let's our the part model is created. Let's start the sketches. First select the front plane. Okay, and untick the unnecessary item. Also untick the coordinate system. Let's start as per the geometry. First we are creating the radius 50. Okay, let's click on the circle and first give one thing for the I will confirm you first, that is the R50. It is not the fixed. Okay, it is not go through the manual lock. It is done by the click on options by the sketch. Okay, here the tick mark is there, the locked modify dimension, lock the user defined dimensions. Okay, just click it, and when you are changing, it is automatic lock. Okay, not required to, it is manual lock. So it is not necessary, then it is deleted segment, then okay. Now as per the drawing, it is the distance of 150 mm, so we are taken a plane from the 150 mm. Okay, then create the sketch here. Okay, create a circle that is radius of, for the radius one click, for a time double click. Okay, radius, okay, 50, radius 50, sorry, before is 100, we are remodified. Okay, the first sketch is 100 radius, so that is changing 100 mm. Okay, now it is click on the boundary plane, first segment and second segment. Okay, three. Okay, then okay, or the first surface is created. Then for the second element, we are clicking on this plane to 150 mm. Okay, so offsetting 150 mm. Okay, the first we are creating a sketch. Okay, okay, first we are creating a sketch, that is this plane, and create a circle. For this we are selecting this type of means top side we are selecting, and it is straight down. Okay, let's start. Here the creating circle this line. Okay, and given the dimension is this to this, mid plane is deleted 75. Okay, and coincident is, and the radius is 35, sorry, radius is 25. So diameter and dimension is given, that is the 35. Okay, delete the segment, the extra element, then okay, and then create another sketch, that is the center plane. Okay, that is a circle of this, and coincident with this, it is not equal, deleted. Okay, and sorry, diameter, not diameter, it is the radius. Okay, so it is the radius of 35. Okay, delete the segment. One thing, it is the 25, so change it by the 25 mm. Okay, let's join us by the boundary blend. Okay, first segment and the second segment, just click. Okay, and this is same to the another side, so that it is mirror to the another plane. Okay, let's then cutting the extra amount of, so that it is merge, first selecting two element, then merge, then this element and this element. Okay, this side and this side is required, so second, then next is the merge. Okay, it is okay, means it is the highlighted part is for the keep, and non-highlighted part is erases. Okay, just okay. One thing, the option is the join area intersection, we are selecting the intersection options. Okay, let's then go to the fill command. Okay, here we are projecting the element like this, and selecting the this plane to this line to this line, then okay, then surface is close. Now another also fill command, the fill command also we are creating the plane. So creating the plane for this, we are selecting the curve and normal, then select this, sorry, so already plane here, so we are creating the sketch here, sorry, not sketch, fill options, selecting the fill, reference, define the fill, Okay, then project. Okay, and then also close by the this end. Okay, fill. Okay, let's projected the segment, then line, then close it, then fill. Okay, also it is mirror to this side. Here you can see the quilt is 1 2 3 and these elements are required to join. So first select this item and okay, and this merge. Okay, this and this merge, and this and this merge. Okay, and the quilt is one quilt is there. So after that we are given the radius, so it is the r2.5, r12.5, it is 12.5. okay, and also it is the 12.5. just click, then okay, and it is the 22 round here, and here is the 22. okay, and also it's 12. So we are selecting the not longer tree, so we are selecting also these two, also 12. Then selecting all the planes, and also in the layer tree, model tree. okay, tree concept placement and notation. okay. okay, and then hide the sketch. okay, geometry, then select the sketches. okay, it is the surface modeling. For this simplify the element how to surfacing. So thank you for watching.